Let's be real, talking is easy. But connecting, that's a whole different game. This is how you level up your speaking and conversational skills. So people don't just hear you, they remember you. First thing, stop trying to sound smart. Nobody cares about your vocabulary if it doesn't make them feel something. Great speakers speak simply, clearly, and with purpose. Clarity beats complexity. Always. Want to instantly sound more confident? Slow down. Fast talkers seem nervous. Pausing creates presence. It gives weight to your words. It gives your listener time to think. And it makes you look in control. Next, eye contact. Not the creepy kind. Just enough to say, "Hey, I'm here, I care, I see you." Combine that with a real smile and boom, you're already magnetic without saying a word. Now let's talk listening. Because most people don't. They're just waiting for their turn to talk. But real conversational masters, they listen to understand, not to reply. And they reflect things back. So what you're saying is simple, powerful. Want to sound instantly more engaging? Ask better questions. Instead of "How are you?" say, "What's been the highlight of your day?" Instead of "What do you do?" say, "What excites you about your work?" Good questions unlock great conversations. And if you're nervous, that's okay. Nerves mean you care. But here's the hack. Shift the focus. It's not about you. It's about them. When you focus on making the other person feel good, heard, and understood, you become unforgettable. Practice too. But not in the mirror like a robot. Practice with people. Talk to strangers. Order your coffee with energy. Compliment someone's shirt. Start small. Stack wins. It's a skill, not a talent. Also match energy. You don't need to be a hype machine 24/7. If someone's calm, stay grounded. If they're excited, ride that wave. Communication is connection, not performance. And here's a secret. People remember how you made them feel way more than what you actually said. Speak with warmth, with intention, with authenticity. That's how conversations turn into connections, and connections turn into opportunities. You don't need to be loud to be heard. You don't need to be perfect to be powerful. Just be real. Speak like a human. Listen like a friend. And show up with presence. That's the real flex. If this spoke to you, drop a voice mode unlocked in the comments, hit that follow, and stick around. Because next, we're breaking down how to handle awkward silences like a boss.